Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how we can change Bluetooth output devices. So at first I will show you connect. As you can see, these two devices are connected right now. So when I will play a video. So right now video is playing, audio is coming from this earpod. As you can listen. So to change into another device, you need to click here this sound icon, and now this drop down menu, and now change into another device. Like I want to change it on Bluetooth speaker, so I will click on this. So as you can see, now another device is playing the sound, and this is not playing any sound. So, and if you want to play with your laptop, then you can select this speaker headphone real definition audio. So that's how from this sound icon you can select any devices.